Suno AI Replace Section Explained 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how Suno AI Replace Section works. So Suno AI Replace Section is a pro premier feature that lets you swap out 10 to 30-second song segments like lyric lines, melodies or instrumentals without remaking the whole track. And think of it as musical inpainting, highlighting the part of replace, edit lyrics or add an instrumental cue, then regenerate two new versions to preview before committing. So how can you access the replace section? So if you go onto the create section of your Suno AI after logging in, of course you have to click on the three dot of your mic workspace, any song, and then you have to click on the remix or edit section, and you can see the last option is replace section. So if you click on that, so it's saying that it's only available on pro plan, $10 per month. So in creator library views you have to click edit replace section as I've already shown you, then highlight a 10 to 30-second region, enter new lyrics or use tags like guitar solo, preview to AI generate alternatives, and commit your preferred version. Suno will rebuild the full song with your edit. And that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.